Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover Velar P250 Edition, finished in Firenze Red metallic paint, with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the powered tailgate, we can see the load space with the 2040 rear folding seats, with the parcel shelf and chrome tread plates. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside. As we turn to view the ebony grained leather and Suedecloth seats with centre armrest, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents. Entering now into the front of the cabin, we can see the Meridian surround sound system badge on the door card. As we turn to view the electric heated front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the digital gauge cluster with satellite navigation display, and we have the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have the DAB radio and the rear camera display. On the lower touch display we have terrain response, as well as the heated seat controls, and we have the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.